I bought this car for just $1. Yeah, literally $1. And before you say anything, no, this is not a joke. No, this is not clickbait. But here's the real question. Would you buy a completely dead, rusty car for $1, or would you run away instantly? Tell me in the comments, because last time I did something like this, it went completely wrong. I got scammed. The car looked decent from the outside, but once I opened it up, everything was broken. Engine, interior, hidden damage. I lost money, time, and honestly, motivation. So now you might be thinking, why would you do this again? Good question, because this time, I'm not just buying a car, I'm taking a risk and proving a point. This car right here is a complete disaster. Rust everywhere, dust covering every inch, parts missing. It doesn't even drive. But I see something different. I see potential. And today, we're turning this $1 junk into something worth thousands, maybe even more. But before we start, make sure you hit like and subscribe, because this transformation is going to be crazy. All right, let's begin. First step, cleaning. We brought the car into the garage and started removing years of dust and dirt. And this is where things get interesting, because when you clean a car like this, you don't just remove dirt, you reveal its history. Every scratch tells a story. Every rust spot shows neglect. Have you ever seen a car this bad before? Be honest, comment below. Then we moved to the engine, and trust me, it was in terrible condition. Old parts, worn-out components, oil everywhere, nothing usable. So we made a decision, full rebuild. And this part had to be fast because time is money. We removed everything and replaced it with brand new parts. Piece by piece, the engine came back to life. Now here's something I want to ask you. Do you prefer restoring original parts or replacing everything with new? Let me know in the comments. Next, the bodywork. We started sanding the faded paint layer by layer, smoothing everything out. Then came primer, and finally, the moment we were waiting for, fresh golden paint. Oh yeah. And just like that, the entire car changed its identity, from abandoned junk to something that actually turns heads. But we're not done yet. Interior needed serious work. Seats were completely destroyed, so we removed everything, deep cleaned every corner, and slowly the car started feeling alive again. Now, imagine this, a car that no one wanted, now looking like a premium machine. Crazy, right? So here's the big question. Was it worth it? Was buying this car for $1 a genius move or another mistake? Because what happens next will decide everything. We took it out on the road, and for the first time, it drove. Smooth, clean, powerful. That moment made it all worth it. From $1 to something truly valuable. So if you enjoyed this journey, make sure you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe because we're just getting started. And tell me in the comments, should I do another $1 car challenge?